Get it.
All right, now I'll do the introduction.
Wait, hang on. Back up, Tom. Get ready.
All right, at 3 feet, 3 inches tall, heading to Weno in the fall, we've got Thomas Melvin Heinke.
Boom, boom, boom.
And the fielder is Michael Heinke.
You're ready, Tom. Good one.
Nice job, fielder.
Good one.
Good swing.
Fielder's on it. Wait, hang on. Let's do it like this. Okay?
No, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, I know. I trust that you can. So, keep your hands like this. Okay? 1,
2,
2, 3.
3. That's just because you helped
Do
them.
that, okay, Tom? Do 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Tom Boner!
Fielder had to run for it.
Fielder, stand back there a little.